Today's sheet metal industry finds itself in a dynamic market that demands new and flexible answers. Quotations must be sent in shorter times, orders must be delivered faster. New challenges arise every day. At Bystronic, we have been listening to the wishes of our customers of different company sizes and digitalization stages.
Each of our machines is very powerful and sophisticated in its own right, but the systems aren't open and there's no common data structure. If they could be connected to each other and controlled and monitored in a coordinated manner, it would save us so much time and hassle.
I think we're operating the production the best way possible, but to be honest, I'm not 100% sure. We sometimes lose customers because of the lack in agility in our response to them. We've automated our shop floor a few years ago and thought that's all we needed to do, but we're realizing now that what we need is a system that will enable our business to adapt quicker to our customers.
All our production processes run digitally, but we still spend a lot of time in combining our business's data. And yes, it would be great to be able to connect our ERP to the rest, but I imagine that might be difficult to achieve.
We started the digitalization process some years ago, but our procedures and systems still don't adapt to changes quickly, and that's key in today's VUCA environment. You see, everything we need is already in our systems, but the data aren't connected. We still experience bottlenecks, unexpected technical maintenance, for example. If this could be predicted automatically, our operations would run much more smoothly.
Our solution to this is the Bystronic Smart Factory software. It helps companies in all areas, whether it be strengthening customer relations, reducing complexities, or speeding up processes. Now, the great thing about it is that it has been developed exclusively for the sheet metal industry, so it really addresses these requirements directly.
The Smart Factory software is a modular and scalable cloud solution which integrates software from different providers and manufacturers and can be implemented in any existing environment, from job shops up to large factories. At the machine level, the shop floor cell control controls and reads out data from a cell. An open and collaborative solution enables the integration of machines from different manufacturers, thus creating a standardized data structure. A powerful CAM system helps to import or design the sheet metal products, optimize the layout and produce the jobs for each one of the manufacturing cells.
Now, on the workshop level, we have what we call the shop floor control system. And what this does is it monitors and coordinates the different shop floor cells. It can also control your AGVs, which are the little driverless carts that run around on the shop floor.
The implementation of a possible storage system and computer-aided production is carried out at the factory level in the sheet metal business system. The sheet metal business system is a compendium of business applications which can handle critical processes such as scheduling, quoting, data analytics, sales processes, inventory management, or raw material procurement.
Now finally, at the enterprise level, we allow you to integrate your existing customer management, resource planning, and supply chain management systems. What this does is helps bring together all the departments of the company and allows you to collaborate much better on each and every step of the production cycle.
This cloud-based solution will be available through the Microsoft App Store and will be easy to install and update. Bystronic offers you support in assessing your digital maturity level and helps you set up the best strategy for success in the Industry 4.0.